Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3 is installed and working. You need pip and virtualenv ready. Create and activate a virtual environment now so packages don't pollute the system, and confirm Python version. Once done, choose the package manager you prefer, pip or conda. If you use pip, run pip install notebook. If conda install c condaforge notebook. This first phase sets up reproducibility and prevents permission issues, so do it before proceeding to launch. Now, install and configure. Execute the install command for your chosen manager, then verify installation with Jupyter Notebook version. Next, generate a config file using Jupyter Notebook generate config, and if you'll access remotely, set a password via Jupyter Notebook password. Make sure kernels like ipykernel are available. Python m ipykernel install user. Once configured, optionally install Jupyter Lab and useful extensions to improve navigation and completions. Finally, launch the interface. Run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab and open the URL printed in your terminal. If you're on a remote host, start with no browser and forward the port through SSH. Make sure the chosen port is open and not blocked by firewalls. Once the UI loads, create or open a ipin file, pick the right kernel and run cells. If something fails, verify your virtual environment, path, and installed kernel. Restarting the kernel or reinstalling ipykernel usually fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.